Hi guys, we're going to be looking at converting fractions. Remember, the word convert means to change from one thing to another. So just to review real quick, when we have the numerator, remember the top numbers of a fraction is called the numerator and the bottom number is called a denominator. When the numerator is bigger than the denominator, we call that an improper fraction. And when we have a whole number with a fraction, that's called a mixed number. It's called a mixed number because you have two. You have one whole number, you have a whole number, and you have a fraction. Now, in fourth grade, we learn how to convert from improper fraction to a mixed number or a mixed number to an improper fraction. And that's what we're going to be looking at today. So this example is, we're going to do three examples. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do it with models and then without models. It's important to know with models, and a lot of students find it easier as well. So 3 halves. This means we have 3 of 1 half. So we can draw halves. Okay, and then we're going to shade in how many? 3, because my numerator is 3. So I'm going to shade in 1, 2, 3. And if it makes it easier, you can color these, write the fraction in. Now we can ask ourselves, how many holes do we have? Well, we have 1 hole. I know it's a hole because the whole thing is shaded. Okay, so I have 1 hole. And then over here, I don't have a hole quite yet. I have half a hole. So it's 1 hole and then 1 half. Okay, so that is how we change it using models. Now, if you want to change it using without models, you would divide 2 into 3. You would divide 3 divided by 2. Okay, 2 will go into 3 one time. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, we have a numerator of 1. So we have 1 whole up here. Whatever our numerator is, whatever the remainder is, that's going to be your numerator. And then the bottom number stays the same, which is 2. So you have 1.5, which is what we got here. Okay, now to change, if you want to change it back again into a mixed number, let's say they gave you the mixed number and you need to change it to an improper fraction. You would multiply the whole number times the denominator. 1 times 2 is 2. And then you add the numerator, which is 3, and the bottom stays the same. So that would be 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3 halves, because the denominator does not change. Okay, let's do another example. 8 fifths. So this time we're going to draw fifths. Okay, and you don't have to use a rectangle. You can use whatever model you want. 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to draw one more because we have to shade in 8 of them. So I know that I need more than 5. Okay, and I'm going to shade in 8. So this is 5 here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many holes do I have? I have 1 hole. And then I have 3 shaded out of 5. Okay, so if I want to change it back, 1 times 5 is 5, plus 3 is 8. The bottom stays the same. Or you can divide 5 into 8. 5 will go into 8 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract. Okay, I have a 1 hole. My remainder is 3, which is my numerator. And the bottom stays the same, 1 3/5. Okay, let's do one more example. 7 fourths. Okay, this time I'm going to use fraction circles. Okay, I have 4. I need to draw 2 of them because I need to shade in 7. So here's 4, 5, 6, 7. So that gives me 1 whole and then 3 out of 4 shaded. 1 3/4. Let's double check to see if that's right. I can do 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, and my denominator stays the same. Let's divide that in. 4 into 7. It goes 1 time. My remainder is 3. So that's 1 whole and 3 over 4. which is what I got here. Okay, so come back to this video to remind yourself how to convert fractions. See you later.